Who is going to play? Who will be my next victim? Or maybe the best person. I have the white piece, I have to move. What I'm thinking? Sometimes I'm so stupid. I just talking and say anything at all. Okay, we have this line. Probably we're going to play the Catalan here. By transposition, this is the close Catalan. Maybe he played the Tarrasch. Okay, we love the Tarrasch. What are you going to do now? Okay, he captured correctly, I guess. Let's go there. Waiting him to play knight there. Let's take. Here, I'm expecting d4. He played the mistake, and this is the mistake. Many players do this mistake because he's losing that pawn, and now he's thinking that he can take on b2 and things like this. I'm threatening the bishop, so he cannot take the pawn now. I think I have an extra pawn, by the way, so let's win this game. First of all, rook to b1, protecting everything. My next move is this, obviously. Yeah, try to exchange the queens. And I'd like to, after the exchanges, to break his defenses on c6. This is completely lost for him already, or what? Many players do this one. It's the losing strategy. Take there, play this move, or yeah, play this move. Try to block the bishop. Yeah, I'm kicking the rook here, so he has to go somewhere. I'm going to challenge this rook. I'm challenging this rook instantly, and he will have a weakness there, so completely losing. Oh, this is another positional mistake or something. Let's go here, active the rooks, activating the rooks. Try to play smart moves. I don't know. Let's play like this. You can give a check, but check is nothing. Okay. How can we win this position? Transferring the knight here to attack the pawn. It's another good strategy, I guess. We have an extra pawn. Aha, he would like to go here. Okay. Let's give a check. What are you going to play? Because I'd like to go inside. And now my knight has another lovely square. Okay, he let me activate my rook there. Very, 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 very strange move. I'm not going to win material, but his pieces are extremely passive. And I'm continue playing. This is a dead lost position. But some technique requires. Okay, he don't know what he is doing. He's just moving his pieces around. Let's play this one first. And maybe I should start pushing my pawns forward. Is this missing something? Take, no. But my rook is extremely active. Why to do something? I'm threatening this pawn, right? I'm threatening. Yeah, you protected that one. Let's go here. You protected the bishop. Right now, what shall we threaten? Maybe this, maybe check, maybe go inside. We have a lovely position. How to win this one? I don't know actually. It's taking a lot of time for me to understand here the nuances. To stop his counterplay, maybe to improve a little bit the knight, or he has very, very bad pieces, but okay, go here. Now I have another target. I think I won this game, but his move, he just helped me a lot. Let's go there. I'm threatening the pawn. What are you going to do, buddy? Okay, you have extremely passive pieces. Maybe I'm going here and try to kick the rook, try to collect that pawn. Simple as that, right? Why not? He just helped me to win material, right? Ah, I cannot take because he's threatening this one. Okay, this is a check. Your rook is almost trapped. Let's go there. Take, the check is not working. Let's go somewhere. Try to block his bishop or something. He don't have a lot of moves. What he's going to do now? You have to move, buddy. You play that one. Let's block this bishop. Again, I don't have... Okay. I have more juicy targets in the other side of the board, right? What are you going to do? Having a lot of targets, I'm going to win something finally. Okay, he lost like a kid right now. He didn't made anything at all. It was an ideal game on Tarrasch, how to break down Tarrasch defenses right now. It was fantastic. He's trying to do some tricks or something, but he don't have a lot of tricks. Oh! I didn't see that one, but in any case, I'm collecting a lot of material. And rook and games is completely winning. Yeah, let's exchange the rooks, baby! Okay, you lost the game, right? Yeah. He's running to go somewhere or something. You just play fast game after this? What was that? What was this disaster, by the way? It was a disaster. What he did here, it was a disaster. Why people are playing like this? He played fast, right, to create counterplay. Okay, understanding the position is very important, actually. Very important. And sometimes they are fighting to win on time or something. Okay, here he has to play d4, and many moves, many players playing this move here, bishop to e6. This is, if not losing, very bad mistake. And one friend of mine, above 2000 rating, FIDE rating, asked about that move. And now we can take there. Queen takes f6, taking here. And probably they're playing this. And after that we have knight c7. He can play something like this one. Yeah, we're following the computer line here. And queen c1 attacking the bishop. I know this one. He has to exchange now. Rook a take here, attacking the bishop, and we're going to take that one. And if this is not winning, or it's close to winning this position, right? It's extremely pleasant position. We're threatening the pawn, and he has to play passively. I don't know, when rook fd1, try to exchange one active rook, and maybe there, and it's extremely pleasant. A nightmare for Tarrasch players. And after this one, he lost a lot of pieces. Queen b5. Yeah, I forgot about that move, queen b5, obviously. This is not bad as well, but yeah, in any case, I played this one. Queen b5 once again. Queen b5, let's say. Queen b5. He's going to play something active like this, probably. e3. He's going to create a flying square, let's say. Rook beat d1. Obviously I played a mistake. And after this exchange, what he's going to play? He don't have moves, right? Because his move stopped, and now we have this maneuver, and he's extremely strong. Yeah, I knew that one, but I forgot about this. In any case, let's play with another player.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.